Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Excel minus formula. To subtract in Excel, simply type an equal sign, then your first number or cell reference, followed by a minus sign, and then the second number or cell. For example, you can type equals 100 minus 25 directly into a cell, or reference cells like equals a 1 minus B1 for dynamic calculations. This fundamental operation is key to many spreadsheet tasks. When you need to subtract more than two values, you can simply continue adding minus signs and cell references to your formula. For instance, equals a 1 minus B1 minus C1 will work. For more complex scenarios, like subtracting the sum of several cells from another, use parentheses to control the order of operations, ensuring your calculations are accurate. Excel makes subtracting dates and times straightforward. Simply subtract one date from another to get the number of days between them. For times, subtracting one from another will give you the difference as a fraction of a day, which you can then format to show hours or minutes. This is incredibly useful for tracking project durations or work hours. To avoid common errors like hash value or hash name, always double-check your cell references and ensure you're using valid numbers or dates. Remember, parentheses are your best friend for controlling the order of operations in complex formulas, ensuring Excel calculates exactly what you intend. For more helpful resources and to check out the Owala water bottle mentioned, please see the links in the description below, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.